2021. You were such a roller coaster ride. IND Money had so much to share that I had to call these three guys to sum it all up.
This year, we chased the ambition of making US stock accessible to many. We introduced 2-in-1 US stocks account, which is both a savings account powered by SBM India and a US stocks trading account. Zero brokerage, zero commission, no paperwork, and best USD to INR conversion rate were the cornerstone of this project. We don't just have in-app trading, but also in-app fund transfer, in-app withdrawals, which is making US stock investing super simple.
In 2021, we focused on simplifying mutual funds for all our users. Be it tracking, buying, selling, all in one go. We also launched a very powerful feature called RoboSTP. RoboSTP analyzes various market indicators and gives you AI-based triggers to deploy your money, helping you to sail through volatile market conditions.
You know how there are so many people struggling with their financial goal planning and how most of them have given up at this point because it's such a complex problem? This year, we made sure that financial goal planning doesn't remain a mystery anymore with the help of the Goals feature on the IND Money app. You can now add and track your financial goals on the app, and in case you do not know what your financial goals should be, we have our own AI generate suggestions for you. Out of these suggestions, you can pretty much pick and choose which goals you want in your financial plan, and that same AI will generate a financial plan for you.
Tracking of credit card spend was also an addition to the platform this year. A user can track and manage multiple credit cards at one place.
We've launched our brand new IPO Center in our Indian stock section, which allows you to apply to all IPO within few clicks. Here you can also check out the list of all upcoming IPOs.
In 2021, we also added new FDs to our existing catalog. We added Bajaj FD, Shriram FD, and IND Super Saver FD. Now the IND Super Saver FD featured the best-in-class interest rate of 7.05% per annum. And along with it, it came with a lock-in period of as low as just 1 year. Earlier this year, we also felt that we should protect our customers from risky funds. So we introduced IND Protect across bonds, mutual funds, and fixed deposits. IND Protect gives you flags which helps you determine if a fund is risky, extremely dangerous, or safe to invest in.
I feel like you guys are forgetting about something.
Oh yeah, rewards.
Who can forget about rewards?
It has been a huge part of 2021.
We gave rewards in the form of crypto earlier this year.
And then we said, what if we give US stocks in the form of rewards?
And that was it. We started giving US stocks as rewards throughout the app for all good financial actions.
Your credit score improved? Boom, you get rewarded with Starbucks stocks.
You spent on Netflix subscription? Here's your Netflix stock as a reward.
That was a lot, now wasn't it? It's all thanks to the 25 lakh Indians who have supported and encouraged us throughout this journey. Thank you for making us IND Money, the Super Money app.